Alright, you guys saw in the last video, we had a lot of snow, but it's all melting really fast. This is that same area. So it's a little windy. Oh, most of the snow is gone. We got the UDR and the X-Max out. Just fly by it. Use the UDR. Whew, almost took out my buddy. So here's the pit, the testing pit. Bring the crawlers out here, bring everything. Oh, yes, landed on my feet. A lot different with no snow. Oh my God, big rock. That was very close. All right, so I got these concrete barriers outside my house. See if we can do some backflips. There's one. Try to go for a double.
Hit yourself with that thing.
Too late.
Damn. Did you break your leg?
Almost. Alright, one more. One more. One more for you guys. Almost perfect. Boom. Some gnarly bumps in there. Almost hit the pole. That thing is sweet. Oh, I think its battery's dying. X-Max is good to go. Walk over here. That big open field we were in with no snow. So we were standing on a good 2 feet of snow for that. Oh, gotta help out the UDR. That was the whole me, that was not the self-rightening. Oh, lost it. There it is. Yeah, this is a nice little spot just for some testing. Got the road right there for speed runs. Let's see, we hit this dip. Things just seems unstoppable. Wait until I say that, I'm gonna hit a big old rock and then stop it. Alright, well this is the pit. So, yeah, tune in next time.